How's everybody doing? Is everyone awake? Please say yes. Hi. So you found love with the Gopher phase. Now what? How do we get past the initial phase of trying to learn Go? Like Mark said, I am a co-founding member of GoBridge, and my talk here today is largely based on my experience learning Go through the past year, and also feedback that I get through the GoBridge workshops. So you might have heard, Go is easy. I hear it all the time from the get-go. Go is so easy, it's so simple. And then you find Go is easy. The reality for some of us is that we get stuck. We get to a point quickly where, okay, the syntax is very simple and you can memorize it quickly, but you get stuck. And mastery is not instantaneous. People we hang out with or look up to, they have deep domain knowledge, and that has nothing to do with the language itself. And we don't know what to do next because there's no popular path for a newcomer. We have to dig stuff out. But we are motivated. So what happens? People go to meetups and don't come back. There is confusion between language and domain knowledge. It's hard to identify a path of high payoff as far as investment of time goes. And what do? My suggestion is ignore some stuff, okay? If you're coming into Go, trying to learn, you have a friend that's trying to learn, don't ignore interfaces. You don't need it. You totally, please, ignore concurrency and ignore the object-oriented aspect of Go. Because these are things you're going to need once you start developing more complex systems or software. When you're just trying to learn the syntax and the standard library, you don't need this, and it's going to get on the way, in my opinion. So if you don't use that stuff, are you still doing Go? Of course you are. You're just taking it step by step, and you're doing a planned process. What I suggest is focus on your development environment. Learn the vocabulary in the standard library, take classes, go to meetups, and work on well-defined and small projects. My suggestions for some of the resources, there are editor plugins for all editors out there. Some are listed here. There is a huge list of plugins. Use it, learn how to use it well. Map shortcuts, learn to be proficient with your editor. And the Go, there are so many Go tooling, so many Go tools that you can use. And if you do that stuff manually, it gets to be a pain. But it doesn't have to be a pain because with these plugins, everything is just super quickly and easy. And the Go Guru is an amazing tool, especially as you start reading a lot of Go code and working with large code bases. Learn the vocabulary. I think it's super important when you're running into something new to understand the concept, and that takes time. So the more exposure you have to it, the faster you get there. Some of us are impatient. So my suggestion, if you like podcasts, the Go Time is the only one. At the moment, I hope we have more. So people, come on. Listen to podcasts that are relevant to the domains you're working on or want to work on if it's different from what you know. Watch YouTube videos, and read the Golang newbies and the general channels on Gopher Slack. Classes and meetup. There's a Women Who Go. There's a workshop. You can organize a workshop in your city, get in touch with them, find out how to do it. GoBridge workshops. Read Effective Go. It's free. It's online. Go to the remote meetup. There's stuff there. Awesome. And go to meetups in general. Meet people face to face. Listen to what they're talking about. You'll be amazed how quickly you're going to start picking up on stuff. Work on small projects. Exercism is awesome. It's amazing. You go there for the exercises, and you stay for the comments. The comments that you get, the feedback that you get from the community and from Katrina. Katrina is there. She's super active. It's so amazing. You have to do it to really feel what it is. Gopher Challenge. By the way, I've done all of these, and I still do them. Gopher Challenge, Gopher Gala, they're very self-contained. They have a clear path, a clear beginning, clear ends. They're short and they're fun. And help people you like and admire. That'll get you motivated. So, basically, what am I saying? I'm saying, master the basics before you move on to the super, maybe complicated stuff. While you're learning, again, ignore that stuff. It's not necessary. And you're still a Gopher, I promise you. Focus on the syntax and the vocabulary so you can start understanding the concepts, because once you understand the concepts, then you're going to start understanding why they are used and when they need to be used. Focus on well-defined small projects, and more important, stick to it.